What's up, everybody? This is LJ back for another LJ Smiley episode, and today we're gonna do something that we haven't done in a long time, which is using these Transformers Bots characters. Oh yeah! Hi, I'm LJ. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, I got this 8-pack from Amazon. Well, actually, this side over here says Jock Squad, but I think that the one on the, which is the surprise one, might be someone from the Jock Squad. Yeah, I think the rest are kind of a mix. Okay, let's get started, shall we? This is how you open them. Okay. Oh, it's a hamburger. Wait, is this a Transformer? Let's find out. Oh, we have to put the arms in. Whoa, it is a Transformer! Oh my God! Well, let's open the other characters up.
146 minutes.
What is the name of this guy? And he is Burgertron! Wow, there he is, Burgertron! Let's get the whole thing up. Whoa, look at all these names! Look at all these characters you can find. There's like a game controller. What else? There's a penguin. Oh, I got a piece of one. What else? Oh, a pirate. Ooh, even a plunger. Okay. Here are the other characters from this 8-pack. And let me show you one of them. First one I'm gonna show you. The next one is gonna be Pooh Sham, which is I think this is how you transform him.
346 minutes later.
Oh well, yeah, he's actually shampoo. And let's transform back. What I'm gonna show you is Sticky Mage, which is actually this looks like a splat of tape. Let's see. Yep, does look like tape to me. Okay, next I'm gonna show you this one. And its name is Skills Punk. Let's see how I can transform it. Ooh, that's how to get the face. Oh, I think these arms. Got it. There. Next, I think this one. This one is Kid Clobber. Okay, let me see how I transform. That's it. Next, let's try the football one. This one is Lace Face. I think this is how you. how you transformed it. Here he is. He's just like a football. I'll put it right here. Squirt proof here. Oh, what's this one? Looks like this is nail batter. Ooh, he looked like a hammer to me. Oh, gotta switch his feet first. And then shut his arms in and put his nail down. And there we go. That's what he looks like as a hammer. And there's one more in here. Which is, what is this one? Unicorn ice cream cone. He looks like a unicorn cupcake. So how do you transform this? Oh, there we go. Oh, put his legs down too. I guess these are her wings. And here she is. Whatever. Well, that's it for today's episode of the Transformers Bots Collection. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to never miss a video. And remember to like. Later, dudes!